Welcome back to Retro Game Coders. This is part 6 of the Commodore BASIC tutorial. In this video we're going to look at loading data files. Here is a program that creates a new text file. At the start, all we do is we open the text file for writing. So it's a sequential file and we want to write to it. So we do open 1,8,2 text file, S for sequential, W for write. And then each print to that file outputs a whole line, and then we can close that file and open it back up again as a sequential file. And then using input rather than print, we can load it into a string and then print that string. If I load in my map program, you can see I'm doing something very similar, except I am writing out a map as ASCII using PETSCII characters, and then we can load that in to our game. So if I load Dungeon 6, so this is a version of the dungeon game that will load the map data and the character data and then use it to play the game. And here we have our little guy walking around our new map using the custom character set.